Welcome to the Bark for More podcast, the essential guide to raising a healthy and happy dog, from barkformore.com. Hosted by our top-notch team of dog enthusiasts, we're here to help you navigate the health and well-being of your canine friend. It's time to help your dog thrive.
Thanks for tuning in today. This episode is about how to treat diarrhea in dogs. As pet owners, diarrhea is one of the common reasons why we seek veterinarian help for our dogs. Diarrhea is a sign of a health problem. Though it is not a disease, it is a sign that our dog's gastrointestinal tract is having a dysfunction. Often it is caused by something they put in their mouths, but sometimes there are underlying health problems that may endanger our dogs. But whatever the causes of diarrhea, as pet parents, we want to stop it fast. So, what causes diarrhea in dogs? When should we worry and consult our veterinarian? What can we do at home before we see the doctor? Dogs develop diarrhea for so many reasons. The ingestion of garbage and spoiled food can lead to them getting diarrhea. They can also get it from parasites like roundworms, hookworms, and whipworms. Viral and bacterial infections are also commonly the causes, especially in younger dogs. Just like us, our dogs encounter stress, too, that could lead to an upset gastrointestinal tract. Metabolic diseases may include disorders of the pancreas, liver, or thyroid. These are reasons why our dogs get diarrhea, but it is also necessary for us to know some of the warning signs that our dogs may have diarrhea. It starts when they start to lose their appetite, have frequent vomiting, and show some symptoms of abdominal pain like bloating, groaning, and panting rapidly. We can also determine if our dogs are suffering from diarrhea by the appearance of their stools. Black, tarry stools with small amounts of fresh blood are signs that we might need to take our dog to the vet. However, not all cases of diarrhea require a trip to the veterinarian. Some acute diarrhea cases will resolve on their own with just necessary home remedies. We know our dog best, so we should not hesitate to contact our veterinarian for advice, or better yet, to bring our dogs to the vet so that they can examine them. If our dogs have mild diarrhea that show no other symptoms, there are home treatments that we can give our dog. We must offer our dogs quick access to clean water to avoid dehydration. Before giving our dogs food, we need to let their gastrointestinal tract rest for 24 hours before offering them their meal. Their meal should consist of small amounts of chicken and rice gradually. We can give this diet to our dogs until their stool consistency returns to normal. If our dog has chicken allergies, we should replace the protein with a hypoallergenic option. But if our dog's diarrhea gets worse, it is essential that we bring our dogs to the vet. You might ask about home treatments related to the medication. We should not assume that home medications are safe for our dogs. It is safer to consult and ask our vet about our dog's medication. There are also preparations to consider before leaving the house. We should separate our dogs from other animals. Confining our dogs and isolating them can help to prevent the spread of possible infectious diseases. It is essential to wash our hands thoroughly to disinfect them. We need to pick up the food and water and put it away from our dogs. This is because the digestion of their food and water could aggravate our dog's already upset stomach. After doing all of these, we must take a stool sample from our dogs for our veterinarian to know what caused our dogs to have diarrhea. A fresh stool sample is very much needed. Using a plastic spoon is enough to run the lab test. Always make sure that you put it in a clean plastic bag or container. If you're still deciding whether to bring your dog to the vet or not, remember to keep it fresh in a separate refrigerator. Keeping it cool in the fridge helps to prevent unwanted parasite eggs from hatching into larvae. Before doing anything, it is crucial to contact our veterinarian firsthand. There are also questions that we need to expect from our vet before going to the clinic. Our vet will ask us how long our dog's diarrhea has been going on, what it looks like, and what color it is, or if there is blood or mucus present. Most importantly, our vet will ask about the food our dog has eaten, or if they had gotten into the garbage or compost recently. There's a reason for all of this. It is because after asking all of these, our vet can determine whether it is from the small intestine or the large intestine. When in doubt or when concerned about our dog's condition, give your veterinarian a quick call. Our veterinarian can determine whether the problem is urgent based on the history and descriptions we provide. He or she can also offer the best advice on how we can manage our dog's health. After all, a healthy dog is a happy dog.
Thank you for listening to the Bark for More podcast. Don't forget to subscribe to catch every episode. Visit us at barkformore.com to sign up for the latest updates and follow us on social media. Until next time, keep those happy tails wagging.